I am doing on a project green hydrogen production with the help of solar power, and it is under 50 kilowatt. Now it is in implementation process. We are trying to connect with the new electrolyzer. We have a plan to produce green hydrogen. We can say hydrogen can be a renewable source when this hydrogen is made from a renewable source. Like without the help of grid electricity, if we make the hydrogen from the solar sources, then we can say yes, it is a green hydrogen. It reduces the reliance of the grid electricity, it reduces the carbon dioxide emission, it mitigates the greenhouse effect, and as well as it is very cost effective. If we are capable to connect this 50 kilowatt solar panel to the electrolyzer, then we can eliminate the grid electricity. So definitely it is more efficient and more convenient to produce green hydrogen than the previous system. After completing my post-graduation, I have a plan to go back to my country. My country name is Bangladesh. It's a huge populated country. We need more energy. And for production of more energy, we have to burn more fossil fuel. So it's the time to implement the renewable sources in my country. And it should be as early as possible. So I have a plan to go back to my country, and I have to work on that sector. This is Kaji Saidur Rahman. Presently, I am doing my post-graduation MSc in Renewable Energy and Sustainable Technology.